welcome back to the channel. So right now it's beginning of summer and it's getting really hot and my AC does not work. I have the temperature at 60, highest fan, and I'm gonna show you, it's like blowing hot air. Right now outside it says it's 70 degrees, so the air that's coming out is actually hotter than the temperature. So yeah, well, I'm gonna be using AC Pro. It's ultra synthetic AC recharge and it's gonna seal any like small leaks. This is R134A, and if you're not sure what you use, you go under your hood and it tells you. I'll show you where that is. Alright, so you're under the hood and it should be a sticker right here. And it says R134A. To get to the AC line, you're gonna have to remove this brake fluid cover. Okay, you wanna also make sure you wear gloves because any kind of liquid that falls on you is really cold and you don't want that. So protect yourself, wear gloves. So you're just gonna unscrew this low sign, which says L, remove the cap. Alright, and just place it somewhere, don't lose that. You see this gauge right here? You're gonna have to make note of today's temperature. So for example, today's temperature is 70 degrees, so I have this chart right here, 70 degrees. So for low pressure, you're gonna wanna have it at between 35 to 40 PSI. First, let's remove this. Basically, you unscrew this. And you want to screw this back on. Okay, so for this, there's only one size, like I mentioned. So this will only fit on the low side. You can't go wrong. So you kind of just push this in, push that in, make sure, pull it out to make sure that it's properly seated. Alright, before we start recharging, and you want to make sure your AC is completely on, set it to lowest temperature 60, the speed at the highest setting. I'm going to have it recirculating and blow it out in the front vent. While that is running, okay, so right now you're just gonna wanna, as you're pulling the trigger, you wanna go in this position from like 3 o'clock to, you know, like say 10 o'clock, just so you get the liquid in there flowing. So as you're pulling the trigger. So let's get started. So you let go and you see it is at 30, so let's add a little bit more. Stop, you make sure you let go of the trigger so you know, just to check where the gauge is at right now. I'm gonna put it close to 40. Okay, I think that should be good. Let's go check the temperature. All right, yeah, so I can feel already that it's really cold. So let's put this on. The temperature is 57. Yeah, that seems about right since I set it to 60 degrees. Alright, and that is it, how to recharge your AC if you don't have cold air coming out. If you have a leak somewhere, you're gonna have to get that fixed, but yeah, unfortunately I don't have leak, I was just low on freon. You know, now I can enjoy the AC in the hot summer days. So until next time, see ya.